Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and I'm working with my April How to Kill a Kit with Style kit for today's fun double page layout hop. So just a little hop that some of Christine put it on, and she got some scrappy friends to tag along to do some double pagers for you guys. So check out everyone linked down below. Just a fun thing to do and discover hopefully some new people to watch and support over here on YouTube. So I'm starting with this crazy background from the DCWV Minty Lace paper pad, which is a little bit old now, but I think they only carried it at Joann's and Michael's. I'm not 100% sure. If I can find it, I'll have a link down below, and any of the supplies I used today will usually be linked down below in case you guys are interested. But I'm going to be making a six photo layout today. Four 3x4s and two 4x6. And again, I always print my photos at 4x6, so if I can cut them down to 3x4, then I will, like I did with this set here, which are sort of like a set of sequenced photos. They're not exact sequence photos because I didn't print out all the photos I took this day, but these are just some of the sequences that I took. So after I decided what size the photos were going to be, I then cut up this scrap piece of triangle paper, again from the same paper pad, to use as a layer beneath my photos. So for this double pager, it's going to be quite the strip across, which is one of my go-to designs for double pages. I think it works great for sequence photos, like these ones where there's the same exact subject in all the photos, and they're just doing something a little bit different every time, but it still helps tell the story to have all of the photos. So that's what I'm going to do. I also have a cut apart there from the same paper pad, and then I go in with this black holographic sort of paper from the same pad again, and I'm going to cut off two strips of that to layer beneath my photos to give some more weight to the bottom by adding that darker color. Because as you can tell, there's a lot of darkness in the photos because there's a lot of shadows, but I definitely want that contrast to go onto the page as well. And these photos are actually the time my cat, Lily again, I'm going to be scrapbooking about her again tomorrow, Saturday, so stay tuned for that. But this is when she was on our bookshelf and we had this little toy. I think it's called a cat dancer. Highly recommend this toy, great for any cat, and pretty durable. I'm quite surprised at its durability. But we had that, and she was upside down going crazy for it. So here I'm going to very quickly glue everything down. I don't have much to say other than I'm gluing everything down, so I sped it up 20 times so you guys didn't have to wait as long. And I hope you guys like this shorter version of a double page layout. Here I'm adding a quick strip of washi tape on each side, and that washi tape is actually a Christmas washi tape. It's white with blue, I think they're sort of foil dots, and those will go right beneath my initial strips there. And here's where I start working on my title. And I go a little crazy with my title. I pulled out some of those Amy Tangerine thickers that are pre-made words. So I have your, so you are. I have the word cute, and now I also have the word happy. Now this, I believe, is a Paige Evans thicker set. I only got this half of it for a design team project. So right now you can't really read it. It's much easier to read in person. But right now it says you're a happy, cute, and then I'm going to use these Amy Tangerine thickers to put wild child. I really adore long titles on multi-photo layouts like these that have a lot of extra space on them. And I like how the title helps tell the story. And eventually I actually take this layout for a turn. And you'll see that later when I start adding some more embellishments. And it's not how I initially pictured it. Now, I will say that it is hard to read. I understand that, but it's not very difficult to read in person, and I like that it's sort of camouflaged because you have that leopard print in the background or a cheetah print in the background, and I like how that sort of, is the instinct of a normal cat because they're a derivative of, the original wild cats. So I thought that was kind of fun. And I do build a cluster out here towards the right hand side, but I get a little bit off screen. I put a black washi tip strip over there just to bring in some more of that black, and then I pull in one of my cat puffy stickers from my kit. And here I'm using a heart sticker that Daisy sent me. I use a couple of these lately, and I really enjoy them. I'm not sure where they're from, but I really, really like them, and she kept them in a little cat magnet for me, which she knows that I love and adore my cats. This was, however, not in my kit. These are some brand new Amy Tangerine stickers that I had from Tuesday morning. Again, check out my Tuesday morning haul, link down below. and I absolutely adore these. They're the perfect craft color that matches the sort of wood grain cheetah print that we have going on here. And I do end up pulling out some of these Carpe Diem phrase stickers. Now, if you guys have these, let me know if yours are like this. But 4 of the pages are pure white, and 4 of the pages are sort of off-white. I really like that they did both. I'm not sure if they actually did both or if my stickers are just getting old. Does that make sense? Let me know if you have those and if they're like that for you as well. But these Amy Tangerine stickers that I'd pulled out really start to drive the design here. They're the amount of craft that I wanted without too much. They're fun without being too crazy. They have the black in there as well, which I think is perfect to get that contrast that I enjoy. And I am trimming down these phrase stickers because I don't want them to take up too much room. And then there's also some beautiful florets on here. And guys, I end up using a bunch of these stickers. I didn't plan on it, but I really enjoy how it turned out. So now I have a journaling spot to the bottom left, and now I'm going to add a couple more stickers underneath my title. This helps give the title a place to sit that's a little bit more legible than the background is actually sitting on. So I pull out those 2 little vines, I guess you'd call them, and place them underneath my title, or the Wild Child section of my title, I should say. And that's going to be pretty much it. The rest of this has to be glued down afterwards, but I'm not too worried about it right now. I do plan on gluing it down later though. I create another small sticker cluster underneath the H in the word happy, and I also pull out this beautiful gold flower and put it under the letter A, so your A, and now the A has a little flower under it. So it says, "You're a happy, cute, wild child," which is an extensive title, but it uses up those pre-made stickers that I don't like to use just as a simple title, so I really enjoy how this is turning out so far. And I knew I had the perfect sequin mix to add cute decorations to the back, or to the rest of the layout, and I think I pick out Aqua Teen Dream, 50 Sock Hop, which again is one of my favorite has a lot of blacks in it, and so does Funky New Year. That's another great one, and if you guys would like these, I'll have these linked down below, and you can use my code Caitlin15 for 15% off your Spiegel Mom Scraps order. And some of these are from the new release, some of them are a little bit older, like this Watch Me Flip's a little bit older, but it's still in the shop. But I pull out the little black ones from there. They're like microscopic, but I adore that they add just a tiny bit of that contrast that I desire. And then the main action here is Total Coolness, which has beautiful little white stars in it that I end up using, and then this beautiful teal mix that you're looking at right now. And again, I'll have those linked down below. Since they're part of the new release, they should still be in stock, especially since we're so close to the beginning of April, but I absolutely adore them, and that's essentially what finishes off this layout. It adds a little bit more color to some places that need it, adds a little bit more contrast to places that need it, and I just used my Scotch Quick Dry to glue those down. Now don't forget to check out everyone else linked down below. I have their channels linked, and you guys can watch all of their videos as they come out. And here are some close-up shots. Let me know if you guys have any questions at all. I'm really happy with how these turned out, and it's definitely outside my normal comfort zone. I don't think I'll be using cheetah print for a while again, but if you guys like the cheetah print, maybe I'll try to use it again in a challenge of some sort. But let me know if you've done anything crazy like these pages. And let me know if you've tried out this double page design with the horizontal band all the way across. But I hope you guys did enjoy. There's that title up close, so you can read it quite a bit better in real life because it has dimension to it. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to check out everyone else linked down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and click the notification bell if you don't want to miss out on any videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!